The Hyundai i40 was quite a popular vehicle in Europe, so we have quite a lot of cars on the road with the 1.7 diesel engine. This is the U-series diesel engine with a relatively simple design. In this video, I will mostly focus on its common problems, but I should tell you first that the engine is very decent in terms of reliability and longevity, unless you buy some cheap low-quality fuel and ignore common sense service intervals. So the engine has a CR Bosch injection system, which is very reliable. No problems with injectors, very low risk of problems with HPFP. Also, the simple Garrett turbocharger doesn't cause any issues at all and will run for the entire lifespan of the engine in most cases. The timing system here is driven by the chain, and as in all other U-series diesel engines, the chain is not perfect. Fortunately, in the 1.7 liter engine, the average failing mileage point is 120-130,000 miles, because in similar engines of the same series, chains could fail much earlier, leading to chain jumping and valve bending issues, which is basically fatal damage for this machine in most cases. So once you hear any cold start rattling, have the chain checked. I would suggest you replace it once every 150,000 kilometers or 100,000 miles to avoid issues. One more problematic unit is the intake system. It has a variable geometry flap that gets clogged by carbon very fast. Also, the flap actuator may just fall off and stop moving the flap. This leads to a not very cheap repair, but fortunately the actuator and the flap are repairable and cleanable, so no need to replace them. I would say this problem is there once every 30,000 miles or 50,000 kilometers. The EGR valve is one more potentially problematic unit. Like in any diesel engine, it will require cleaning at 60,000 miles or 100,000 kilometers. If you ignore this problem, the valve will fail and require replacement. This is not a specific issue with the Hyundai 1.7 liter engine, just a common issue with all modern diesel engines that are equipped with the EGR system. Fortunately, the DPFs in these engines can run very long and outlast the engines themselves. Other than that, I know about some minor issues like low pressure fuel pump failure, external oil leaks, badly programmed regeneration that can fail and raise the oil level sharply, leading to inevitable oil change and forced regeneration service in a good repair shop. But overall, these engines can be considered very reliable. They became a little more demanding in 2015 when the company moved to Euro 6 emission standards, but overall, they can last over 250,000 miles or 400,000 kilometers. After they reach this point, you will have a ton of emission-related problems that will most likely be too expensive to solve. But with poor service schedules, the engine may cause a lot of minor and middle issues that will cost quite a lot to solve.